Good one.
I don't know where this idea came from, but I just wanted to see my friends' Discord profile pictures placed on agenda memes in order to slander them. In order to slander people, you need to know how to slander people. Thankfully, I have a great place to start. That is the JJK subreddits. All they do is litter their entire subreddits with just slandering any character in their verse. So let's take a couple images and learn from them per se.
So this is the small little Reddit scraper that I built off of. This took way too long to build, by the way. But anyways, you can see here I can put in a post ID to search for any agenda I want on Reddit. So say I want to give me your best slander, right? Give me your best slander. Fuck you, AI. Give me your best slander. Google search. And yeah, if I go on this top one that I've already visited, and I can go select this post, I can go and steal all the images, just like all the corporate devs do. And then I can load the images, and then you can see here, it is all being uploaded. And then I will get back to you guys when these images are fully uploaded. But as you can see, I am uploading and stealing all of this juicy media. So I'm back, and it's all uploaded. Can you believe that? Just from one post. Isn't it sick as shit? I can see all the images, all the like things from Reddit. I can just copy this shit and like view it. Like, holy fuck, this is cool. I can see your comments as well. Like you can see here, these comments are gonna be posts. So there's no comments on there, but like for these other ones, there's a lot of comments. This is going to be a key, by the way. So it's all gonna be stored inside my file storage, which is sick as fuck. And I can see all of your comments and all of your images. Is that not sick as shit?
So I scripted a few Reddit posts off the JJK fandom, so I'm really excited to see what they got. So firstly, we have Michael Jackson as Nanami, okay, and then we have Nigerian Mahoraga, and then we have I'd win airplane going into the Twin Towers. As you can see here, we have a great base to start with. So let's get to slandering people. Okay, so brace yourself, because this is going to get pretty technical. If you don't want to listen to this, feel free to skip to this timestamp. But it's not like I wanted you to watch it or anything. Baka. I'll stop. But anyways, the story of my project starts with a Discord message. A user will send a Discord message. God, why am I on caps lock? A user will send a Discord message. And what exactly does this message entail? It'll have a text, it'll have the user information, and funny enough, Discord bots can pull that. So the Discord bot can go and get the user's message, but more importantly, it can get the user's profile picture as well. And this profile picture will be taken from Discord CDN. So I don't even need to ask for your permission to take your profile picture, which is nice. But the thing is, now we don't have any slandering. So the second part of this is the stolen images that I took from Reddit, the slander images. So the stolen images database / object storage. No one really cares about that though. But anyways, my Discord bot also fetches a random slander image from my database. And when the slander image and the profile picture love each other very much, nothing happens. But in order to actually make something, we need to process these images. And so I take them and I use a machine learning model. Machine learning. And what does this machine learning model do? It will read this image that is taken from, it'll read the slander image, and then it'll find the faces on it. So find faces, and then more importantly than that, it'll find boundaries of faces. And so what it can do with that, what my bot can do with that, is that it can put the profile picture, puts profile picture on detected face. which is so neat. Detected face. And then what happens after that? It'll send it straight back to the user, or in better case, the server actually. So I should just add user/server. This is like the worst of all time, by the way. But anyways, it'll send the, what is it called? The Slander image with profile picture. And easy as that, we made something to cyberbully anyone who talks on the server. So this is the first draft of the JJK cyberbullying machine. And in order to trigger any kind of agenda related topic, you need to talk about potential. So maybe if I talk about, hey, this is a potentially bad idea. And you see, it registers in the Discord app and then goes and then recognizes my face and come on. This is the best thing I could ever ask for. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I'm getting cucks. Wait a minute, Yuta's not the potential man, so why is it like that? And you're right, I do need to configure it, so let's go set some keywords for every character, like Yuta, Bushcamper, Sukuna, Fraud, Yuji, Suffering. You get the picture. Okay, so let's continue on from what happened before. I've added some character sets, and it's basically some words. If someone says one of these words, you'll get one of these slander pictures, and configured it in your Discord bot. And this is my first time, so please work. So maybe I want to say Gojo. Please. Yes. Okay. I don't want Nitro. Please slander me. Oh dear. Okay. Let's go. That's all I ever wanted. You do notice that I can't tell the difference between faces. That might be a problem. So we have quite a bit of a problem right now in our facial detection. Our facial detection model can only really detect any face, but we only want it to detect one face. For example, Gojo versus Sukuna. In that image, when Sukuna was chaining up Gojo, we only want Gojo to be the one that we put our enemy's Discord profile pictures on. And so we have to use some machine learning to basically identify what character is who. Thankfully, I heard OpenAI has something pretty good for this. So I've tested the OpenAI zero-shot classification model. You can guess from here, this is actually Gojo Satoru. What the fuck? OpenAI. And I've seen that OpenAI is not a good idea. Thankfully, we can train our own model. It's only like 20 different characters, and I can surely steal something off the internet for this, right? Turns out they have character detection models, but these are trained like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years ago. I bet your ass Kashimo is not in there, neither Hikari. So after thinking with the last two brain cells in my head, I think we need to make our own model. In order to make our own model, we need to make our own data set, though. And making a data set shouldn't take too much time, right? Right? I've been cropping these images for 2 hours now. I have severe depression. After this, I have to train a model, which takes another 2 hours. Raymond, you stupid. Excuse my language. So I finally finished the model, so now we can actually detect, once we cropped out a face, who it actually is. So now we can actually put the Discord profile pictures onto the right person. As you can see here, I've tested out the bot just a bit, but I'm recording this so you can see my tears as when this doesn't work, because it'll inevitably not work. So if I want to like slander Sukuna for some reason, so like binding, like maybe like Pookie. There's Gege's Pookie. So we see it, and please. No detections. As you can see here, it works flawlessly 50% of the time. Okay, let's try again. Please. A different one. Please. No detections again.
Ah! Yeah, like how the fuck are you gonna detect this? Like, how the fuck are you gonna detect this, bro? I'm gonna try again. Third time's a charm, right? Right, guys? It can't even detect if there's a face. No detections again? God damn it, stop giving me the same image. Please, 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 please. Fourth time's a charm. Fourth time. Fourth time. Okay, two faces? Yes. Yes! So I was wrong. It works flawlessly 25% of the time. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to use the Discord bot, you can click on the link below and then you can add it to your own server. I'll also post a GitHub code for it in the repo link below, and also the face detection and the character detection models I used. If you guys have any questions about it, I'm so happy to answer, so please feel free to comment. Thank you guys. See ya.